What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of Euro CHF. Let's find out what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, currently, what you see on the screen is for our time frame on Euro CHF, and we see that just after 1 hour, this 4 hour candle is going to close, and we see that it looks like it is creating a bearish engulfer, and we might find a trading opportunity on this one. Now let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis, then we will come back to this time frame to see how we can trade this candle. Now first of all, let's start with higher time frame on the monthly time frame. Now before I begin, make sure you smash the like button so that I have more motivation to create this kind of video. Now what you see on the monthly time frame, this is a perfectly defined bearish market. So if you analyze the market structure from the top, what you see that Euro CHF creating a series of lower high and lower low, and every time the price is breaking down, testing the previous support as a resistance and moving towards the downside. Now what you see that the last 3 months ago, this candle tested this previous support here as a resistance and broke down. So still it is in another impulsive phase, so we can expect Euro CHF slowly melt to the downside. Now if we see the previous month's candle, this is a dodgy candle. This is a perfectly bearish candle. When you see long wick here and long wick here, you can expect this one to fill this wick and even coming down further. At the same time, we see that the previous months there has been a bearish engulfer. It has basically penetrated this level of support, created a false breakout, and then closed back below. So with that being said, Euro CHF now preparing for further drop as there is a significant resistance here, and we can see that monthly is bearish. So let's see weekly what kind of price action it has created. Now you see that there is a level of support here on the weekly. So if you draw this level, and at the same time if we draw this trend line on the weekly as well, what we see that Euro CHF basically um, quite a few times, multiple times tested this support as a resistance. You see quite a few weeks, and every time the price created a long week, and last week of the trading week we saw that it went above and immediately rejected to the downside, closed as a doji. And as a result, this week as soon as the market went opened, the sellers started to sell. Now with that being said, we can expect Euro CHF now slowly move down. Let's see daily how the price action has been created. Now in this daily time frame, we see that there has been a support here on the daily as well. If you draw this level of support, and if you look at the past, there is a support here, there is a support here, support here, support here. Now with this green candle, this support tested as a resistance, and we see the currently the sellers rejecting to the downside. So the buyers rejected, sellers pushing the price down. So let's go back to the 4 hour time frame again. Now what do we see that this is the candle that is forming, is still 58 minutes to go. But if we find this candle closed as a bearish engulfer, as the over this long term trend is down, and we see also higher time frame confirmation, as soon as this candle closes as a bearish engulfer, we might find a trading opportunity. In that case, we already running a trade on Euro CHF. We might add up to the position, keeping our stop loss above this high and targeting at least 1 to 3 or more risk to reward ratio in this sell trade, as long as after the candle close, if it satisfies all the rules of our strategy. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button for me, and also don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.